Alright y'all, just as promised, I got here a package from Nike. I got these for retail. Retail on these was $150 because I got them in GS sizing, size 7Y. That's what I could hit on the shock drop. So I got them early. But yeah, if you haven't read the title somehow, these are the Spiderverses, the Jordan 1 High Spiderverses. I believe the official title is the Across the Spiderverses, or the next chapters. So yeah, let's pop open this pull tab. Oh, it's a very stiff pull tab right there, but here we go, y'all. This is kind of deep. Got a lot of mixed opinions on them that I've heard from people, but I think they're kind of fire. Let's see them in person. Alright, we got that black and red Nike box. You can see size 7Y. Air Jordan 1 Retro High SPGS. Alright. So, I'm expecting, these are for resale purposes obviously because got a kid size. But I'm expecting a fairly decent profit on these. My bad. It's looking a little bit iffy because I don't know, these just aren't as in demand as those OG Spider-Verses or Spider-Mans. But yeah, we got this black and red Nike box. It's kind of dusty for some reason. It's a little weird, but there we go. All right, let's open these up. All right, y'all ready for this? First, in-hand, in-person review. And bam, oh, we got the separate box lid. All right, you could see a little bit of patent leather picking out from there. That's kind of crazy. Really weird materials on these, but kind of fuck with them. All right, we got them individually packaged. That's how we know it's individually wrapped. Makes my job a little hard. It's part of the experience, I suppose. Go back to the back. Got that green tag right there. Makes them. That's just like a sign of that they're legit. And here we go, y'all. Spider-Man Across the Spiderverse. Let me put them on the side. Alright. These ain't so bad. Alright, let's just take that in. We got, looks like suede right here. Kind of that cut up panels vibe. The suede right there, and I don't know, this is like nubuck or something. And of course that leather on the toe box. And we got that patent leather. And these like pink with the yellow and blue hits. I think those are, seems like printed over the leather. I'm not 100% sure what that is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's printed over the leather actually. So I was expecting that to be canvas, but it's actually leather. That's kind of, I don't know. Depends on what you think, but I think that's kind of dope. I kind of prefer leather to canvas, but it might feel a little bit cheap to some people. Then we got that shiny black and red patent leather. It's kind of sick. Lots of different patterns and stuff on this shoe. Then we got that semi-translucent red outsole. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Got that sail tongue. That's sick. This tongue they did differently, which a lot of people are not liking on these. Kind of mixed it up, but people are saying that looks a little cheaper than the usual ones. And we got those black laces. Apparently these do not come with extra laces, which is really disappointing for a shoe of this high retail price. And like a special edition shoe. So like, I don't know what you're doing, Nike, but kind of need to get better. Or actually go back to the way it was. Make the retail a little lower and include all those accessories we used to get with those shoes. But alright, let's toss this paper aside. Got that other shoe. Oh, it looks like we get a little sticker here. That's kind of dope. It's a gold Jumpman sticker. Cool. And we got the other shoe in here. Honestly, since I'm reselling these, I might just not open up the other shoe just because I want to keep it wrapped like that because it's going to be a little hard to rewrap them. But yeah, check that out. It's pretty dope. Size 7Y. I'm expecting these to go up a decent amount after the actual drop of these shoes. So I'm holding these. I'm going to sell these after the actual drop because that's when I'll actually get a better resale price, because right now it's not looking too good, just because the market's kind of currently flooded with the shock drop pairs, and also there's not hella demand for these just because like the actual release hasn't happened and the movie isn't that hyped up yet. But I think it will go up a bit. But yeah, I can't hold these for too long. I'm not trying to hold these for too long, but you could take your chances and hold these for longer, because after the movie launches, these might go for a lot more. Got that Jumpman right there. Kind of cool holographic kind of thing going on. Effect. Just like in the Spiderverse movies. People are also saying this aspect looks like a sticker, which is kind of nasty, but I don't know, I kind of fuck with it. But if it was like more 3D, like not just like this flat ass like kind of detail kind of thing, it'd be a lot better. But this iridescent kind of vibe on the patent leather is kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Shimmery, kind of like that. But yeah, here we have it. The Jordan 1 Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse's next chapters. Got them on the shock drop. So if y'all got them from the shock drop, I'd recommend holding them till they release. But yeah, I'm hoping to make like at least $50 on these, probably more, or maybe more. We'll see. It's kind of weird in the sneaker world right now. The market's kind of going crazy. Crashing, not going crazy, because you're not selling much. But yeah, Jordan ones aren't selling like they used to. But hopefully these will. No, I probably won't lose money on these. We'll see. But there's one thing I wanted to test before I let y'all take a look at some of the B-roll shots that I'll take. But I heard that these are glow in the dark. Let's try and see if they are. I don't know, y'all. Maybe it's just a rumor. Hold up, let me get my lights. All right, I got a bit of a change of location in this closet because it's still quite bright outside. But yeah, y'all, I think I can confirm that these are not, in fact, glow in the dark. I am getting no glow whatsoever from this shoe. So I don't know. Maybe y'all were capping and like on Twitter and shit. I heard people like posted that these were like glow in the dark, but nah. Even that outsole that's like semi-translucent ain't doing shit. But I don't know. Maybe it's not dark enough in here. But I'm pretty sure it ain't dark. It's dark enough, because I bet y'all cannot see what's going on right now. Well, I think we bought both Nike and some of them sneaker leakers and like sneaker YouTubers and shit kind of lacking on this shoe. But I think it is a pretty solid shoe still. Definitely nowhere near as nice as the OG Spiderverses, but ain't a bad shoe. Honestly, I think y'all should cop this, give it a try. Especially if the resale's not going to be that high on these. There probably won't be too hard to get them for retail, but I don't know, it might be a battle. I'm not trying to get them again for retail, because I don't think these are going to be the best for reselling. But yeah, let me just take a look at the quality of these, because come on, if that retail is going to be so high, the quality of these crazy materials got to be at least half decent. Come on Nike. Honestly, I'm not expecting them to be that great. I'm just kind of feeling it. The leather's not hella thick, but maybe that's just because it's a GS shoe, so it's not like the best comparison, I suppose. But patent leather is all right. It's not actually very stiff, which is kind of what you want from patent leather. The padding is pretty decent. Good stiffness on the ankle collar, but not too rigid either. And this leather looks pretty decent. I don't know. It's pretty plush actually. It's not that bad. Pretty soft too. Definitely better than Jordan 1 mid leather or like Dunks leather or whatever. I don't know. I haven't seen like hella good quality Jordan 1s in hand, but I think these are pretty decent. Yeah, these ain't bad. That white leather is pretty soft, and the red leather is even better. Got a really plush feel to it. Patent leather's alright. And this, I don't even know what this material is. Y'all shoot me a comment down below, tell me, educating me on what this material is. This is definitely suede right here, but I don't know what about this. This is either like some kind of nubuck, maybe, I don't know. I have no clue, y'all. I have no clue. But yeah, just one final look at these before I send y'all into the B-roll. But do be sure to check these out if y'all are looking for this in a size 7Y. Please hit me up. Oh, I'm also noticing that this midsole also has like a slightly sailed out aspect to it. I think that's a good amount of aging to it. It's not too noticeable, it's fairly subtle, but it's also a fairly good hit to it. I'm not a big fan of the translucent red outsole, but it would be nice if it glowed in the dark, but nah, these are kind of mid. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And yeah, if y'all are looking for any custom sneakers, hit me up at kickflips with a Z100@gmail.com. I'll have all that shit in the description. And also, be sure to check out my Jordan 4 Thunder video. I actually got that shit right here. Bam. Check out that video. I released that pretty damn recently because I got these both kind of within a couple of days of each other. The shop for these, and then the exclusive access for the Thunder. So please check out that video. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm trying to turn out some custom content, some custom shoe content. I did a pair of Jordan 1 mids that I think y'all will like. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. One additional thing I am noticing here, y'all, is that these actually say that these are the 1985 Jordan 1s, so I think that means these are to the 1985 spec. I guess it won't be that noticeable in this GS pair, but yeah, it looks like these are 1985, so maybe that is some cause for that elevated retail. But if y'all notice the difference, let me know. But honestly, I don't know how different these are going to be, because the materials on these are kind of crazy, so I don't think they're going to be too similar to the 1985s, but that's kind of a little gimmick that they added, I guess. 1985 Jordan 1s. But yeah, all right, I'll leave y'all alone now. Bye.